Hello everyone, welcome back to Terratin. If you are looking to work in Sweden in 2025, this video is for you. Sweden is known for its high salaries, excellent work-life balance and innovative work environment. But which jobs are in demand? Which companies are actively hiring international talent? And most importantly, how can you secure visa sponsorship? So stay tuned with me till the end as I will break it all down. Why work in Sweden? So Sweden is one of the best countries for professionals seeking career growth and stability. The country boasts a strong economy with thriving industries like technology, healthcare and engineering. So it is also famous for its work-life balance, offering flexible work hours, generous parental leave and in some cases even a 6-hour workday. So another major advantage is that many Swedish companies operate in English, making it easier for international professionals to integrate. Plus, Sweden offers a clear pathway to permanent residency, allowing you to apply after working in the country for 4 years. Top in demand jobs in Sweden 2025. So, if you are considering moving to Sweden for work, here are some of the most in-demand jobs. In the tech and IT sector, software developers, AI and machine learning engineers, cybersecurity experts and data scientists are highly sought after. Engineering roles such as mechanical engineers, electrical engineers and civil engineers are also in high demand, particularly in Sweden's growing automotive and manufacturing industry. The healthcare sector needs nurses, doctors, pharmacists and biomedical scientists to support its aging population and cutting-edge medical research. Finance and business professionals, including accountants, financial analysts, and supply chain managers, are needed to support Sweden's thriving economy. Additionally, with Sweden's focus on sustainability, there is an increasing demand for environmental engineers and renewable energy specialists. The country also offers opportunities in education and research, especially for university professors and STEM researchers. So if you work in any of these fields, Sweden could be the perfect place for your next career move. Well, top companies hiring foreign talent. Several leading Swedish companies actively hire international professionals and offer visa sponsorship. In the tech sector, companies like Spotify, Ericsson and others are constantly looking for software engineers, AI specialists and fintech experts. While in engineering and manufacturing companies such as Volvo and others, they recruit professionals in transport, automotive and robotics. The healthcare and research sector is dominated by many institutions, which hire medical researchers, pharmaceuticals professionals and academic experts. So if you are in finance, major companies like SEB and IKEA provide roles in banking, investment and business management. And also, many of these companies provide visa sponsorship, making it easier for skilled professionals to move to Sweden. To work in Sweden, you will need a work permit, which is usually tied to a job offer. The process begins with securing a job from an employer willing to sponsor your visa. And one key requirement is meeting the minimum salary threshold. Once hired, your employer submits the visa application on your behalf, and the processing time typically takes between 1 to 3 months. If you continue working in Sweden for 4 years, you become eligible to apply for permanent residency, making it an excellent option for long-term career growth. So if you would like a detailed step-by-step guide on Sweden's work visa process, let me know in the comments below. How to apply for jobs in Sweden. To start your job search, use trusted job portals and make sure your resume is optimized for applicant tracking system by highlighting relevant skills and including industry-specific keywords. Since networking plays a very crucial role in Sweden, consider joining LinkedIn groups, attending job fairs and connecting with recruiters who specialize in hiring international talent. Well, final thoughts is that Sweden is one of the best countries for skilled professionals looking for career growth, competitive salaries and a work-life balance. If you are serious about working in Sweden and need help with job search strategies, resume building or LinkedIn optimization, Terratin is here to guide you every step of the way. Which Swedish company do you want to work for? Let me know in the comments below. Well, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Terratin for more job updates abroad. See you in the next video.